Good afternoon. This is Laura Grime with this week's crop progress report for the week ending August 22nd. Corn progress overall was 60% in the good to excellent versus 62% last week. Indiana was 71% in the good to excellent column, down 1. Ohio was 79%, which was down 2 points. Illinois 67%, down 7 points. Iowa, it was 58% in the good to excellent column, which was unchanged. Michigan, good to excellent, 77, up 1 point. Nebraska, 67%, down 1 point. Wisconsin was 75% in the good to excellent column, down 5. Minnesota was 34 this week versus 35 last week. South Dakota, 25%, which was down 1% from last week, and North Dakota, good to excellent, 16% versus 20% last week. Overall, corn dented is at 41% versus 22% last week, and the 5-year average for corn dented is at 38%. Indiana, corn dented at 32%, Ohio 19%, Illinois 43%. All these three states are behind the 5-year average. Michigan is at 22% dented, Iowa 46%, Nebraska 56%, Wisconsin 21%, Minnesota 22%, and South Dakota 27%. All these states are ahead of the 5-year average. North Dakota is at 7% dented, which is behind their 5-year average. The soybean crop overall conditions report is 56% in the good to excellent column versus 57% from last week. Indiana was rated at 67%, which was down 1 point. Ohio 73%, unchanged. Illinois 60% versus 71% last week in the good to excellent column. Michigan is at 67% in the good to excellent, down 1 point. Iowa 61, up 3 points. Nebraska 69, down 3 points. Wisconsin 75% in good to excellent, down 2 points. Minnesota 31% in the good to excellent, down 2. South Dakota 25%, up 3. North Dakota 12 versus 14% in the good to excellent column, down 2 points. Total soybean crop setting pods is 88 versus 81% the previous week, and 5-year average was at 87%, so we're right there on the average of setting pods. For soybeans dropping leaves, it is at 3% this week, which is right on the 5-year average. Spring wheat harvested is at 77% this week, up from 58% last week, and ahead of the 5-year average of 55. Today's markets were up overnight in reaction to the crop progress report. Corn traded higher all day, closing up 9 cents. A corn sale to Mexico of 4.93 million bushels in hot weather for the Eastern Corn Belt supported the market. China bought 4.85 million bushels of beans today, and soybean rallied, which contributed to the higher bean market. Beans closed 38 to 39 cents higher. Wheat traded both sides today. The 77% complete harvested puts the wheat harvest farther ahead than expected. The Dow is currently up 48, the Nasdaq up 51, and crude oil is up 2. The US dollar and gold are slightly weaker. Have a good evening.